and he asked her to go to the Domboshava Hills to look for a healer. She went to the Domboshava Hills. Under a big rock in the cave, she found a creature with the face of a man and the body of a large snake. The girl began to sing a song, and the creature followed her to the compound. At the compound, the creature licked the wounds of the old man, and the old man was healed. The old man then said to the creature, "I have nothing to give you for what you have done for me, but you shall marry my daughter." The old man arranged a lobola feast for his daughter and the creature. The creature then transformed into a handsome young